Hi friends, welcome to another video. I am in my car on the way to go get my daughter from school. I went to the Dollar Tree to get some cleaning supplies because I'm cleaning my mom's house today, and I got some Valentine's Day things for the kiddos, and yeah, thought maybe I could share with you. Alright, so my light is still red. Alright, so I got actually I'll show you later. Alright, so I had to change angles on my phone. Sorry if the picture quality is not as good. There's a person parking right there. So it says someone parked really close to me, and they're probably thinking I'm a big weirdo, which I am. They would not be wrong. Okay, so I got a bunch of cleaning stuff because I'm doing my mom's house today. I'm cleaning her house today, and I had to get a bunch of stuff. So don't worry guys, she's paid for her cleaning stuff, but I got some things for Valentine's Day as well. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, so it is so impossible sometimes to make a video, like super quick shopping haul video. Alright, so anyways, I'm going to try to get this all together for you guys, make it easier. I got 2 boxes. I am obsessed with this Brillo Basics, these little soapy square thingies. They are magic. Straight up magic. So I got 2 boxes, 1 box for me and 1 box for my mom, because they're so fantastic. And then I got this right here. It's a 2-pack. Scoring sponges, Scrub Buddies. They had other colors too, but I thought this would kind of hide some of the yucky coloring of the yuck that I'll be scrubbing. But yeah, it's pretty scratchy, so I think that'd be really good. So 2-pack for $1. Not bad. I got myself a big old Pepsi to get me through it. I got this spray bottle. I love the color. And because I got something, I'm going to dilute. I think you're supposed to dilute it. I'm not sure exactly, dilute it. But she needs some more like disinfecting spray. So I got this bottle. I got 2-pack of these. I don't know really how good these are, but this is better than nothing. And it's like basically the magic erasers, but the Dollar Tree version of it, and you get 2. So we'll see how that works. And then I got this reusable wipes, just heavy duty for hard to clean jobs, vehicles, tools, kitchen, grill, and bathroom, suggested use. So I guess you use these and you rinse them and you can reuse them. And there is 4 in here, is that right? Oh, here we go. Yeah, 4-pack of these, and you guys can see this very good, but it's kind of like that. My nails are super dirty because I've been already cleaning. And then I got, because she has only latex gloves. This is latex. Oh, gosh. I'm allergic to latex, but some latex gloves I can kind of deal with. It doesn't affect me. Oh, they all affect me, but some affect me a little bit more than others. And the ones that she had was really irritating my skin. But I have used these ones before, and they're not as bad. But I got this, just 1 pair for $1, reusable gloves. Because I don't want to touch all that yuck. Ooh, you saw my nails. Alright, and then I got this 2-pack microfiber cleaning towels. One's for me and one's for her. I'm only using it when I have these on because I have really bad eczema right now. It's on my hand. I don't know if you guys can see it very good, but microfiber cloths stick to it, and it's the most uncomfortable. It's like nails on a chalkboard. It's so uncomfortable. Alright, so I got that. Computer, my pretty. Alright, and this is what I was telling you about. It is Spick and Span Everyday Antibacterial Cleaner, Fresh Citrus Scent. I'm going to, I think I'm supposed to dilute those, or dilute it. Is it dilute or dilute? Probably dilute. Anyways, I don't know actually. Maybe it's just, maybe I'm not supposed to. I'll read more about it. But I'm going to put this in that spray bottle for her so I can just keep cleaning her house with that. And then on to some other things. And then I got this for Riley today. His dad works, he's a truck driver, but he transfers garbage. He's not a garbage man, but he transfers garbage to landfills. I know some people might be like, oh, that's so horrible, but you know what? It pays our bills. So, I got a little dump truck candy for him to have at Nana's house while I'm cleaning. And got some batteries, some AA batteries. We needed some. I know they're not the best, but they work for now. And then I got my kids, because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, guys, so happy Valentine's Day if I don't get to see it to you guys tomorrow. I got the kids, I got this one for Riley, a little chocolate, says I'm wild about you. I got this one for Jaden. It says you're meowgical. It's a cat unicorn. I dig it. And I got this one for Sean. It says just be cool. So that is my haul, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos to come. If you guys want me to film my cleaning at my mom's house, let me know in the comment section, because you've seen my house and you've seen how bad it can get. Well, my mom's house is like 10 times worse. She physically can't do a whole lot, and she's the original lazy housewife, if you know what I mean. And she admits to it, so I'm not putting her down. But much love, Mom, much love. So anyways, if you guys want to see me see me clean her house, let me know, because I'm pretty sure it will be motivating if you do. So I was gonna bring my tripod today just in case, but I didn't. So but anyways, let me know down there if you want me to film that, because I'm pretty sure it'd be an entertaining video, and you'd see like a huge like transformation for before and after, because her house is really dirty. So but she needs help, so, and I'm here to help. Alright guys, I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye now.